Welcome to Citylight E-News channel, a new standard for luxury furnishings, grand launch event of the Curtain Story. Hyderabad has always been a blend of tradition and modernity, but today it became the epicenter of luxury and style. A new furnishings brand, the Curtain Story, made its grand debut, creating an incredible buzz that had the who's who of the city flocking to its launch event. This brand isn't just another entrant into the market, it's the only one of its kind, distinguished by its meticulously curated, theme-based collections crafted by a team of expert interior designers. What truly sets it apart is its commitment to quality, with exclusive partnerships with top-tier fabric manufacturers in India and Turkey, ensuring that each piece not only looks exquisite but also feels luxurious. What truly makes this brand truly unique is its focus on personalization and exclusivity. It caters specifically to Hyderabad's luxury clientele, offering bespoke design services and a range of collections that can be tailored to individual tastes. This approach has already earned the brand a loyal following, with many attendees expressing excitement about incorporating this exquisite furnishings into their own homes. In short, the launch of this furnishings brand marks a significant moment in Hyderabad's luxury market. With its impeccable designs, commitment to quality, and unique approach to interior design, the brand is set to become cornerstone in the city's vibrant design landscape. Except to hear much more about this exciting new player as it continues to redefine luxury furnishings in Hyderabad.
I want it. I want it.
Hi guys, today I am at the Curtain Story and I absolutely love this store. This store is a perfect solution for all the people out there who are making efforts and thinking which curtains to buy, which backdrop and what combination. Then I think you guys should definitely check this place because it will help you provide the perfect solution for everyone, and it is such a hassle-free solution. So what are you guys waiting for? Visit the store today.
Hi guys, I'm Anchal Bansal, an educated content creator from Hyderabad. Today I'm here at Curtain Story launch. I would like to congratulate Saiba and Mayank, who are the couple co-founders of Curtain Story. I'm awestruck with the wide range of collection here. They have ceiling to floor drapes with a lot of styles and themes, and all are curated by a team of interior designers, and they have very friendly staff who would help you with the selection process. And that's it. It's a sole brand which has a wide range theme styling with fabrics. So do visit the store, guys. Thank you.
हमने अभी जस्ट ये ब्रांड लॉन्च किया है जिसका नाम है द कर्टन स्टोरी। ये फर्निशिंग्स ब्रांड है जो कि हैदराबाद में ये कॉन्सेप्ट पहले कभी दिखा नहीं है। यहाँ पे प्री स्टाइल्ड कॉम्बिनेशंस मेड हैं, थीम बेस्ड, कॉन्टेम्प्रेरी, ट्रेडिशनल एट्सेट्रा। इंटीरियर डिज़ाइनर्स की टीम है पूरी जो आपके लिए सिलेक्शंस करती है, जो कि और किसी फर्निशिंग स्टोर पे नहीं हो रहा है। एंड तो फुल लेंथ टॉप टू बॉटम कर्टन्स हैं ऑन डिस्प्ले। इतना मैसिव सिलेक्शन आई थिंक इज़ नॉट सीन बिफोर। तो आप आइए, देखिए, और आई थिंक द फर्निशिंग शॉपिंग नाउ वुड बी वेरी ईजी, बहुत ईजी रहेगा आप सबके लिए। थैंक यू।
Hello, hi, andarki namaskaram. Nenu me Lakshmi Manchu. So you're watching me on City Light E-News. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe.
Hi, Andy, నేను మేళ నరేష్ మాట్లాడుతున్నాను. Please subscribe to City Lights E-News.
Hello everybody, Andarki Namaskaram. This is Anusuya Bharadwaj. Please subscribe to City Light E-News. Thank you.
Please subscribe to City Light E-News.
Hello, నేను మీ రాశి సింగ్. సబ్స్క్రైబ్ టు సిటీ లైట్.
హలో గైస్, నేను మీ అశ్విని. సో సిటీ లైట్ ఈ న్యూస్ కి సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. ఇక్కడ చాలా మంచి ఎక్స్క్లూజివ్ కంటెంట్ దొరుకుతుంది మీకైతే. సో గో అండ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ ఈ న్యూస్ సిటీ లైట్.